Little storyteller.
The little spider had tiny, busy legs. Her name was Lily. She was making a home in the corner of a sunny window. Her web was sticky and shiny. Then the rain came. Big drops went splat on the window. The rain made Lily's web all soggy. Some parts even broke. Lily held on tight. A little boy named Tom was watching from inside. He had soft brown hair and big, curious eyes. He saw the rain break Lily's web. "Oh no," Tom whispered. After the rain stopped, the sun peeked out. Lily started to work again. Her tiny legs moved quickly. She made new sticky threads. Slowly, her web looked like a home again. The next day, more rain came. Splat! Splat! Lily's web broke again. Tom watched. He felt a little sad for the busy spider. But Lily didn't give up. As soon as the sun shone, she started building again. Tom watched her every day. Rain came, web broke. Lily rebuilt. One sunny morning, the rain didn't come. Lily's web stayed strong and shiny. A little fly with sparkly wings got caught in the sticky threads. Lily had food. Tom smiled. He learned something from Lily. Even when things are hard, and you have to start over, don't give up. Keep trying, like the little spider. Did you know that spider silk is very strong? It can be stronger than steel for its size.
Please subscribe. Thank you.